Skill number 1, creating categories. A category system in Citavi can best be compared to the outline of a document or the table of contents of a book. So to create a category system within Citavi, click on Show Category column icon found at the top of the screen, and then click Categories icon, and then click New Category or Subcategory, and then select New Category. A new category will be created. I am now going to give a name to the new category. It will be called Introduction, and watch as I continue to add new categories. Note, when I'm done entering or typing the name of the category, the new name, I press the Enter key and Citavi assigns category numbers dynamically. Now I want to add a subtopic or a subcategory under Chapter 2 or category number 2. I would place my mouse on category number 2 and then click on category icon and then choose subcategory. Now I'm going to give my new subcategory a new name. Once done, I press the Enter key and number is again dynamically given, in this case 2.1. I want to create 2.2, so I click on category number 2 and then I click category icon and then I choose new subcategory, and then 2.2 is created. I continue to do that until I'm done creating my subcategory. So this is how an initial category system might look like. If you want to change the order and the hierarchical structure of the categories, you may use the arrow buttons found at the top of the screen. Supposing I decide to move category number 3 to become category number 2, I would place my mouse over category number 3 and then click on the Move Up button. So now it has become category number 2. And if I want to make it category number 4 or category number 3, I will press on the Move Down button. Well, now if I want to make category 2.1 as a main category, I will click on the Promote button and it will become a main category or a main topic. And if I want to make it a subtopic, I will again click on the Demote button.